Good morning to my fellow mirror holders and my fellow Black Sky technology holders. I love you. Black Sky Technologies is at $6.40 right now. 3 mil beat earnings. I've been telling my friends about them all week and they don't fucking listen. It's all good. Picked up some shares of Bitfarms. There's a company called Bridger Aerospace that's fucking dope. It's a penny stock. You might want to check that out. It's down a little from pre-market, 3.50 a share. I mean, that's a pretty good price considering your upside potential. 3 mil is definitely a stock I've been looking at as far as dividends. And they pretty much supply half of the space industry with like products and things they need. So like you're kind of supporting NASA when you support 3 mil. Environmental friendly change, like all kinds of things. I mean, 3mil is a very old company, a very great company. When I used to work doing restoration, we used a lot of 3mil products. I mean, we were always constantly ordering from them. And Granger is another giant company. If you have the money, look it up. Let me see, is it Granger or is it Granger? Uh, Let's see if this is year to date up 32%. It's 1,100 a share. I think that's Granger. I'm pretty sure. Earnings per share is $8.20. I want to say this is Granger, but it says GWW. Granger is a huge stock. I mean, but anyways, Black Sky holders, Mira holders. We're up in pre-market. Mira holders, 108. Sorry, I'm getting notifications. BitDeer is now at my below custom price. I was thinking about BitDeer. I heard they had like NVIDIA connections. Whoa, it's dumping right now. Actually, it's actually up for like last. I want to say month. It's up 13%. It's actually decent. However, they only came out in April 2023. I would like to look more into this company. It's a company from Singapore. BitDeer. I guess they have. I want to say they like sell mining equipment to Riot, if I'm not mistaken. Anyways, I'm gonna read the Mirror news that we got. This shit is incredible. I have never been more happy in my life. It was yesterday. Obviously, I was up celebrating all night because the news on Mira from Access Wire. Shout out Access Wire. Mira Pharmaceuticals announces Ketamar 2 outperforms current FDA-approved neuropathic pain treatments, gabapentin and pregabalin, in a preclinical study. And I guarantee you that you know somebody that's on pregabalin or on gabapentin at the moment. I guarantee you. I mean, these industries are the drug industries are massive, and if people are not like being healthy, making the right decisions to go hike and work out and feel good and do what makes them feel good and live a healthy lifestyle, then the alternatives is medication. So, I mean, pain is pain. It happens, you know. Like, I mean, I have had 2 knee surgeries in football in the past, so like I understand. You know what I mean? Like, I don't like opioids, and that's a big reason why I'm in Mira. Mira is like anti-opioid, like trying to stop the opioid pandemic, epidemic, and for a greater cause. So it says October 21st out of Miami. Let's see. Mira A leading preclinical pharmaceutical developing company is excited to announce that its novel oral ketamine analog, Ketamar 2, is shown greater pain relief compared to the FDA treatments gabapentin and pregabalin. Ketamar 2, a non opioid, uh, offers tremendous promise for patients seeking better solutions for neuropathic pain without the habit forming risks and debil- without the debilitating side effects associated with the medications. So these were the key study findings. Right here, let's see. Connect the latest preclinical study conducted using a nerve ligation induced neuropathy model in female rats demonstrated that low dose of oral ketamar 2 provided significant pain relief by day 15. By day 22, ketamar achieved up to 112% more effectiveness than pregabalin and 70% greater relief than gabapentin at higher doses. These findings build on prior studies in male rats um, where ketamar 2 fully reversed neuropathic pain, while oral ketamine showed no effect. That's wild, actually. So ketamar, what they're saying is ketamar 2 has fully reversed neuropathic pain, but oral ketamine has zero effect. That's pretty cool, but like I'm not I'm not gonna lie, I've used ketamine in the past. I'm not sure if you'd call it recreationally therapeutic. I mean, it was therapeutic wise. I mean, I did do that therapeutic process, but and that's another reason why I'm huge on Mira. I mean, Mira to the moon. Dilution might be coming soon, though. I just wanted to warn you guys. Don't be scared out of your positions. Add to the dip. I got a warning on my phone last night, actually. It was from one of my apps that I have, and it said, "Warning: your company may be diluted soon." And I was like, "Oh fuck! I'm always getting diluted over here, man. Ain't no love over here, bruh." RXRX diluted the fuck out of me. Mira. Oh shit! Mira's up to 107. Oh, they were 108, so they went down a penny. But then they dropped to 105 and popped right back up, so that's good. We have a volume of 31K. That's really really amazing. I mean, that's actually average volume is 509,000 for Mira right now. So like that's amazing to see. But yeah, I mean that study's pretty promising. They meet with the FDA next week. Gabapentin and you know like for example, just to throw it in a perspective, like gabapentin is supposed to be a $4 or a $5 billion market by 2030. So like growing perspective, I mean you can see where I'm getting at. These findings build on prior studies in male rats where ketamar to fully reverse neuropathic pain, while oral ketamine has shown no result, no effect. This, excuse me, wow. I wish I could edit lives, but I can't. This consistent, this consistent model highlights ketamar 2's potential to deliver superior effective relief through the oral route, positioning it as a promised alternative to current treatments. So this is going to be great. This is going to be great. It says gabapentin long term can cause drowsiness, dizziness, cognitive impairment, and weight gain, along with potential for misuse and withdrawal. Pregabalin is a controlled substance carried as a risk of dependence, weight gain, edema, cognitive issues, and withdrawal issues if stopped. Let's see, Ketamar 2, a much more effective and safer alternative that's non habit forming. and shows signs of superior pain relief compared to its peers. Um, Fewer cognitive side effects, um, with the potential to avoid sedation and cognitive impairment. Ketamar 2 offers an improved quality of life compared to other available treatments. This is what I like to see, baby. All right, let's see how Jet AI is doing. Jet AI is fucking like excuse my language, but it's a garbage penny stock. I had shares at, let's see, dollar, a dollar, a dollar to like a dollar 25, and it's down to 9 cents. Down to 9 cents, bud. Down to 9 cents. Oh nine. If you want to go help your boy JAI to the ground. I'm just kidding. Let's see, Cores. Oh, Cores is up fat. At one point, they were up like 6% or 5% this morning. I swear, I saw Cores. So I threw money in Cores yesterday. I threw money in Bitfarms. I need to capitalize off the bull run. I was like, oh yeah, we were up 5% at one point. So I'm sure we'll be there shortly if you want to add to Cores. Um, BLACKSKY Technology, some asshole was hating me the other day. He's like, yeah, when they split again, they'll pop off when they split again. I'm like, bruh, read the news, dog. We're up in pre-market too, but how about that? 655, 2.18%. We up, Black Sky. That's what that's to that mother. That's to that guy right there, bruh. Maybe we aren't because it's not updating from Robinhood, but it's updating it on Yahoo. So Yahoo Finance, don't be lying to me, bro. Now I'm opening up 2 tabs because I'm fucking paranoid. A lot of people have been. I've been saying like, if you really believe in a company, if you really value a company, just go all the fuck in. Go all in on it. I'm like, bro, I really kind of have went all in, and your boy's down year to date. I mean, if I'm gonna be honest, like, do not gamble. Do not do meme coins, please. Solana meme coins, Phantom wallet. Oh God, don't even get me started. But hey, I'm being truthful. I mean, gambling, Solana meme coins, that fucks you up. And I'm trying to stick to real value stocks. You know, like Black Sky Technology, baby. 655 is the current price target. 8:51 a.m. Eastern time. Oh wait. Oh yeah. It's updated. 8:51 a.m. Eastern time. 6:55 is the current price. 660. Wow, that's dope. Price here target got raised. I see that Yahoo Finance raised that $17.33 for the next 12 months, and that is fucking awesome. 22 hours ago, Zach's. I wonder if I can share this screen. Let's see. I've been getting used to my new Apple setup, Apple phone, iPad. I got the whole gang, bro. Like I'm just used to an Xbox and Turtle Beaches. I kind of want to talk about cores too, but maybe we'll do that another time. There we go. Wall Street analysts think BlackSky technology could surge 175%. Read this before placing a bet. up 5% in the pre-market as the article is being read. Shares of Black Sky Technology have gained 7.2% over the past 4 weeks to close the last trading session at $6.11. But there could still be a solid upside left in the stock if short term price targets of Wall Street analysts are, are any indication. Going by price targets, the mean estimate of 1686 indicates a potential upside of 175%. The mean estimate comprises 7 short-term price targets with standard deviation of $8.23, while the lowest estimate of $10 indicates a 63% increase in the current price level. The most optimistic analyst expects a surge of 423% to reach $32. And I'm going to say 450% to $35. I'm telling you right now, Black Sky Technology, if it can get investor sentiment, if they can maybe get some more news out there, if they can get like the Amazon warehouse software deals completed, if they can gain access to the Navy's infrastructure Overwatch program, stuff like that, they can just, if they can keep doing what they're doing, 450% would be a light upside return. That would be a price target for me personally. I'm not selling, so I'm not gonna ever sell. I mean, I'm already. I just can't sell. I don't know. Not that stock, Black Sky. Seen. I see too much potential in Black Sky Technology. Let's go back up to the chart. Check this shit out. The rest is just gibberish. I mean, so yeah, they did split. They did split like a month ago. Like I'll show you. It's like right here. It's like probably. It was definitely right here, probably. Yeah, it was this weird. You see this weird like. It must. I don't think it was actually 3 months. Oh yeah, showing 3 months. It's not though. What the? How you gonna let me down? Oh yeah, here we go. Here we go. Split right here. So you could have got in at $3.86, bro. You would have already doubled your money, and I basically have, but like I don't even know where it's at. But not really, realistically. So dilution does happen. I got an update on my phone saying a fuck ton of people were gonna buy Mira. Basically, is what it said. So fun. Oh yeah, let me see if there was also some other information on my phone I think I had. Oh yeah, so the share price as of October 21st, 2024 is $6.41. That was obviously yesterday, I think. Previously on October 23rd, 2023, the share price was $1.28. This represents an increase of 400% over that time period. Come on now. Projected stock price by September 25th, 2025 is $19.79. That's a 208% upside. Projected revenue of 89 million, 255% upside. and 97% increase in EPS. So we have, well, I did some digging. I was like, who is anybody even, helping Black Sky out? You know what I mean? Freaking yesterday, freaking out. JTC Trusty, Rise Advisors, Pro Equities, CWM, and one other person have all bought millions of dollars worth of Black Sky technology from 10/8/24 to right now. So basically, that dip date, I think that's that 10/8/24. So the week of the dip, we have some buys. We have some major buys, which probably attributed to the surge in price. So for Mira has an upside of $17. Like that's the highest upside potential that like they can see. The price target is an average of many targets provided by analysts. The latest target ranges from a low of 10.10 to a high of 17.32 a share. The average price target represents an increase of 500% from the last closing price. So that was for Mira. Um, they built a first watch in my area where my parents live. So I looked at the stock, and First Watch Group is down 17% since it IPO'd. And you know me, I like stocks that are pre-IPO price level. So I'm gonna do diligence, and we're gonna look at some First Watch up in pre-market. Wow. They're up since from where I wanted to buy them. I was like looking at it. Oh shit! This always happens to me, bro. Look at this. So the last 5 days, they're up a staggering 20%. I mean, they're almost to their 1 year price target all of a sudden. Poised to reach its. Wow, Stevens and Co. analyst Jim S initiated coverage on First Watch Group. This is October 17th. With an overweight rating with a price forecast of $20. For First Watch is a front runner in daytime dining, specializing in breakfast, brunch, lunch, and prepared fresh ingredients. This company reminds me a lot of Snooze. I really wish Snooze AM was on the market. Snooze is incredible. I mean, when I worked there, I loved that place. And everyone knows working in the restaurant industry is insane and hard and annoying. Is 3 mil down right now? Oh no, it's at 140 from 134. Shit, dude, I should have got it yesterday. I was thinking about. I don't know why I always do this to myself, but it's something I do commonly to myself. If you guys ever want to look at any stocks, you just let me know. I wanted to show you this crazy ass shit that I have been looking at, guys. You can go to Archem Intel, and I definitely recommend holding on to some other crypto, maybe buying some on the dip. Look at this shit. Insanity, bro. What's crazy is that this type of software and all that, it's the same software Palantir is using, bro. I swear. Let's see how we doing. They added a new meme coin or what? Trending token pages. Simon's cat. That's freaking funny, bro. Just now. Look at all these people buying it right now. Let's see. So one weird thing I noticed about MicroStrategy is they were not buying at all during the dip. Look at this. 3 weeks ago was the last time they bought any Bitcoin. Inflow, nothing. For 3 weeks, outflow. I mean, it barely, I just thought it was weird. MicroStrategy, I mean, obviously they have a lot. Oh yeah, I wanted to look up like Ark Invest. She's a gangster, dude, low key. See, look, 19 hours ago, 20 hours ago, inflow. 19 hours ago, 20 hours ago, 20 hours ago, 21 hours ago, 22 hours ago, 23 hours ago, 1 day ago. Ark Invest is a gangster, and she's not just buying. Look, she's buying 300 Bitcoins at a time. She's buying 700 Bitcoins at a time. I mean, outflow. Yeah, and these are going to the Ark Invest 21 shares Bitcoin ETF. So, like, I mean, in all reality, I'm thinking that, like, it's not a bad idea to get. I mean, I do. Obviously, if you can afford Bitcoin, buy Bitcoin. But the revolution is here. You can do this. You can go to Ark Invest if you need to. Leverage. I mean, it's better. It's a little more leveraged, a little more managed. Kathy Woods is a gangster. I don't care what anybody says. RXRX. She has hella stock in RXRX. Fintech. Oh yeah, I think the fintech innovation one is a uh, great way to get exposure to the mining industry. Says you are leaving ARC site to direct to 21 shares site. That's fine. Here we go. Blockchain economy innovation ETF. So this one is a little bit different. This one's up 23% year to date. Look at that boom. Growth potential Bitcoin. Yeah, it talks about Bitcoin and its growth potential for the ARC ETF. ARC D. Who's on here? Who's in here? Investment case factions. Oh, so this is like an annual report, it looks like. 100% total net assets. Yeah, Kathy Wood seemed to be very busy buying up all the fucking Bitcoin. So, like, if you want to make some jumps on some money, be surprised if she has actually a better outcome on her ETF than we think. I mean, she's the one buying things up right now, you know what I mean? Have a good day, guys. I need to check on some stocks and check on these crazy ass cats.